welcome back to another cleanup. Today we're cleaning this creek here, and there's already the first piece of trash, duct tape. There we go. There's the hose. Well, it's been like 2 minutes and I already got water into my gumboot, but that's not stopping us today. There's too much trash here to get out. Like this packaging right here. What's that? Some kind of plastic. As always. And there's another bottle. And on we go.
Nein, Paul!
Well,
so nervig, ne?
that's not another traffic sign. And I hope it's not the same kind
I think it's the same.
as last time. You think somebody took it from our pile and threw it in here?
Yes.
Again? Well, that sucks. We'll toss it up there to the woods so we can collect it on our way back. That's not fitting in our bag. That's the skeleton of a sun umbrella right there.
Why?
Why is a good question. We'll toss it onto our pile right there. This is also not going in the bag. No. Ja, sehr gut. That's one part. Alright. I think this is a plastic bag maybe. Good. Thank you. More duct tape. Don't know where all this duct tape is coming from. Yes.
Feuerholz.
Smoking kills. Yeah. This is always a typical spot for plastics to accumulate here on the river banks, and there are a lot of leaves getting stuck there.
Yes.
Alright, we made it about, well, 200-300 meters and the bag is getting quite full. And at this bridge we are leaving the first bag and continuing upstream from here. There's a lot of trash here, it's mostly bottles here, not so much plastic sheet as where I normally clean, but you can tell it's a city, so more consumer products and less farmer waste here. A barbecue thing. Oh no, and barbed wire.
Oh no.
Ja. Shit.
Nee, da ist Plastik. An der Wurzel hier.
Oh ja. Oh. Just found a lot of rolled up plastic here. Didn't get everything, at least a part of it. There we go. And there's the bridge, so we're leaving our first bag right here. We're getting this glass here as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi.
And yet another bottle.
Oder? Ja.
We passed the bridge and we're onto our second bag. It's getting filled with another part of a plastic sheet. Did you just find a frying pan?
Nice.
And especially here, I mean, why? That's not something you typically take when you go out for a walk to throw in the river, but okay, we're taking it.
Another piece
Of wood, of plywood.
It's really
No, plastic,
plastic.
rubber.
Rubber.
Yeah. Thank you.
Metal.
Metal piece. Maybe, I think it was a clipboard actually. There's the clip right there. Last time when we were in this river and cleaned up here, we found a lot of carpets, and unfortunately I think I just found another one right there. Oh no, that's a huge carpet. Now that's an oily carpet right there. Very disgusting. This should definitely not be in the river.
I don't know, something from a table maybe?
Yeah, interesting. And another part of the glass bottle. Right.
Also,
Next
Coca-Cola.
Coke bottle.
Jägermeister.
A Jägermeister bottle. A lot of alcohol today. Got it.
Got it?
Glass bottle number 100 probably.
Yeah.
Interesting. I have no idea what that is. Some kind of
Stein.
cylindrical shaped rock.
Auch so stark, das wird ja gar nicht bis wieder rauskommen. Ne?
And yet another glass bottle. We should really be collecting the redemption, the deposit of those bottles here. We found so many today, but unfortunately it's just 8 cents, so it's not that much.
Warte, das kriegst du ohne der Hand, wenn du es ein bisschen höher machst.
Ja. That's a rain gutter from a house.
Here, from a tent.
Yeah, 10 poles. It's incredible how much trash there is in this tiny creek here. It's maybe 1-2 kilometers long here. But it's running through a city, so there's humans, and humans mean trash. So yeah, that's very unfortunate. And I just noticed another bottle right here. And there it is. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Alright. Looks like this spot is cleaned. That's a rock.
But it's already because of the blanket.
Yeah. Yeah, that's unfortunate. That's so dumb and unnecessary.
Yes.
Oh yeah, the rear rack of a bike. Yeah. The stuff you find in a river.
Oily.
Another one of those oily, nasty carpets. And more plastic sheet. We did another 100 meters now and we're leaving our second bag behind because those ones are way more fragile and I don't want to lose all the stuff we collected here in the river and pick it back up. So yeah, bag number 2 is done. Some kind of gutter.
Yeah,
Another kind of fabric. Big one.
oh, that is sensitive.
Look at this thing right here. It's enormous and very disgustingly dirty. That's bag number 3. Yeah.
Something inside.
I think it's just water and mud. Another very disgusting plastic bag. This used to be a bike lock. Until someone broke it open.
It's not so efficient right now.
Yeah, I wouldn't recommend this model right here. It didn't work.
Zumindest sicher.
Yeah.
And another one.
More carpet. Oh, it's full of animals.
That's not really bad.
Yeah. And the next plastic sheet. Or plastic shit, as I like to call it. Oh no, I got water into my gumboot again. And this is the second bike lock of today. So there's stolen bikes here. Maybe we'll find a bike later on. That would be fun, right? And there's more plastic sheet here on the side. Really annoying cleanup, but it really needs to get done, so yeah.
Ja, alles ist so dreckig. So.
We just noticed a VW sign right here, so this might be a real cap or something, but it doesn't really look like one. Let's see if we can get it out. That would be interesting.
Dann brauchen wir eine Schippe.
Yeah, there we go. A very old VW wheel cap. Historic. And with those 2 items, our bag number 3 is done. Oh my goodness.
Nice. Fence post.
What the heck is that?
A fence post.
A fence post. A huge fence post. There we go, a huge fence post. Largest find so far. Probably our largest find of today, to be honest. That's pretty huge. Ah shit. Alright. There we go. A huge piece of laminated plywood. So we're taking that.
Here's a bike, nice one.
Ah, you found the bike. Good. So this is where all the bike locks are coming from. Right there.
Lot of oil.
So you found a new bike?
Yes.
Want to keep it?
Wait.
Looks very good.
Wait, there's more.
Oh, there's the rest. Brand new condition. Amazing. Oh, it's cut in half. Okay. Yeah, let's get it out here.
Here?
Yeah. Beautiful bike. Yeah, I got it. Jan back there just found bike log number 3. So yeah, apparently this is a hotspot for stolen bikes. A doorknob. So apparently this was a whole door, but now it's just a knob. Oh no. There's a whole trash bag here. Oh no, with diapers. Oh, that's disgusting. Ah. Oh no. I don't want to touch that. Ah.
Enjoy it, eh?
That's terrible.
Okay.
Thank you. And a mask for good measure.
That's it.
I think this is bag number 4. We are getting close to the finish line and into the dark. This is a rubber insulation of a wire, maybe, or pipe. Here we go. And some kind of metal thing. I don't know. We'll put it back there and connect it on the way back. We are now over half a kilometer through the creek here, and it's getting deeper and a bit wilder here, and oh no.
Oh no.
There's a huge tunnel right there. I don't know if we want to go through this. A bike pump and a bottle cap. Jan, how excited are you about the tunnel right there?
I'm really excited. Okay, so gewaltig.
Yeah. A basket for a bike.
Oh, good stuff.
Planting pots. Awesome. No, that's part of a pipe, yeah.
Das kommt da rein.
That's fine, yeah. And more laminated wood. Electronics. Alright, we reached this trash hotspot right here. Wire mesh fence, bottles, plastics. So yeah, our 5th bag is almost full. I have to conserve battery now, so I didn't film very much, but
yeah, we will die in this tunnel.
Yeah, this tunnel is the end for today. I think we're at 700 meters, maybe 800 meters. Oh yeah, a bird. So yeah, this is the last stuff that we're getting out here today. There we go. So yeah, 2 trash bags and this huge wire mesh thing and all the other stuff we left downstream that we're going to collect now. So yeah, very productive cleanup.